In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a light burst text effect in Photoshop. Let's begin. First, go to File and choose New to create a new document. Name it Light Burst Text Effect. Use the document settings shown in the video and make sure the background color is set to black. Once everything is set, click Create. Now, select the Type tool and type your text. This is the font I'm using for the text. And adjust the text size as shown. Select the Move tool and place the text at the center. Next, double-click the text layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Gradient Overlay. Then click on the Gradient Preview to open the Gradient Editor. From the Blues section, select this gradient right here. It's called blue_16. If you don't have this gradient, manually recreate it by copying the color and opacity values shown in the video. Now enable Bevel and Emboss, and apply the same Bevel and Emboss settings shown in the video. Then click OK. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the text layer. Right-click the duplicated layer and choose Rasterize Type. Then right-click again and select Convert to Smart Object. Make sure this layer is selected, then go to Filter, Blur, and choose Radial Blur. Set the amount to 100. Blur method to zoom, and quality to best. Then click OK. Apply the same radial blur effect 3 more times with the same settings. Change the blurred text layer's blending mode to Linear Dodge Add. Now, drag and drop the light particles image onto the canvas. Make sure it's placed as shown, covering the entire canvas. Place this layer below both text layers and above the background layer. Double-click the light particles layer to open its Layer Style menu. Under Blending Options, hold Alt and drag the left slider of current layer to the right until the value reaches 200. This blends the particles smoothly with the background. Then click OK. Finally, reduce the light particles layer opacity to 20%. That's it! You've successfully created a light burst text effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.